don't know who I am, I'm Bella and I have kind of cold, so excuse my voice. But anyways, so I'm on my way to Turks and Caicos, but I was supposed to go yesterday, but let me do my story here. So, last night I was going to the airport and some water spilled on my passport. And I was like, oh, I'll be fine. And Air Canada was like, nope, you cannot go on. I did have a little panic attack and I may or may not be flagged by Air Canada now. Via my mom, my beautiful mother, who helps me so much. Her and I got on the phone and this lovely man from the passport place in Surrey is gonna get me a new passport today. So this morning I went and took new passport pictures. Looks good. Do I look pissed? I should. So I'm gonna try and get a new passport right now. We're on our way. I already booked my new flight to Turks at 4:30 for 4 o'clock tonight. So fingers crossed I get on. So let's go get me a new passport and hopefully I can get on this flight. Got my new passport, you guys. Let's go catch this flight. Room tour. This is my room at the Grace Bay Hotel here. This is my bed outside. And then bathroom, so cute. It's ginormous. And then we go into the kitchen, living room, and then outside. This is another one of their properties. This is called Point Grace, and it's more like a rustic feel, and it's still so cute. These cottages are like 1 bedroom, and they're so cute. Okay, off I go.
In the inside. I'm kidding.
How many times have you said that?
Many.
One day on the boat. We went parasailing, we went snorkeling. What else did we do? Oh, we shot a shipwreck. The shipwreck. That was really fun. Obviously you saw that footage. But now I'm gonna go get a massage. So let's go. Okay, so we're at Manager's Cocktail. I got a rosé. Carlos is here, he got rosé. Got Emily here, she's got rosé. We all love rosé, just saying. Anyways, if you want to gift us, rosé, please. But anyways, we're gonna have dinner on the beach, so yeah. Cute.
I was holding the light.